Alright, so I just finished hooking up the drip irrigation loops for this run along the back wall. There's my hose hooked into the inlet. This is the distribution line that's running. This is the coupler that just kind of, it's a compression coupler that couples onto it. This is the pressure regulator. This is the backflow preventer. This is a dummy I made out of a hose I just threw away. It just screws on there when this hose isn't in there anymore. Like that, so that dirt and stuff doesn't get into the system. It's using a figure 8 to keep it crimped closed. And I just turned it on after completing the hookup. We've got 4 Arborvitae and 1 Japanese Climbing Hydrangea in the middle. And so here's my runs. Here's 1 Arborvitae. Each of these loops are just tied into the main distribution line like this. This is a double nut attachment that connects the 2 lines together. You use 2 nuts per loop because you got to connect the loop at 2 points. And each of these loops is 1/2 inch drip line. It's got these drip emitters every 18 inches. And so I've cut the loop so that there's 5 drip emitters per plant, because each emitter puts out 1 gallon per hour. And so the idea is that if I leave this on for an hour, I'll get 5 gallons of water per plant. Every time you water these plants. Right now they need about 5 gallons of water, so that was loop 1. Here's loop 2. We're just looping around each one and continuing the run. Here's loop 3. We run the climbing hydrangea. Does the same stuff. It's got, continues the run. Here's loop 4. Around an Arborvitae. Just dripping. That's all coming out of the emitters, right? I hope. There's 5 emitters around that. And then here's loop 5. Ooh. I don't like that. I hope that. Well, I'll probably be okay. And then it just terminates here in the end. Loop. And figure 8. Terminating it. Just the rest of the run. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a little leak there. And the hose is just running from the house. Just a regular 3/4 inch garden hose hooked up to the house. There's that.